but there's not a king with more splendor than them. Consider the sparrows, they don't plant nor sow, but they're fed by the Master who watches them grow. And we have a heavenly Father above, with eyes full of mercy and a heart full of love. And He really cares when your head is bowed low. Consider the lilies, and then you will know. May I introduce you to this friend of mine who hangs out the stars and tells the sun when to shine, and he kisses the flowers each morning with dew. But he's never too busy to care about you. And we have a heavenly Father above, with eyes so full of mercy and a heart so full of love. And He really cares when your head is bowed low. Consider the lilies, and then you will know. Consider